Hi everyone, how are you guys? What's the first menu that comes to your mind when you think of Korean food? I think it's definitely bibimbap. Bibimbap has a variety of vegetables, so the color is beautiful and healthy. And you know what? The biggest influence on the taste of bibimbap is beef gochujang sauce. In this video, I will show you how to make it easy. Okay, let's get started. For the first step, I'm gonna blanch bean sprouts and spinach. But before that, take off the thin tails of bean sprouts. Now pour water into a pot and turn on the heat. And add 1 tablespoon of salt. When the water starts to boil, blanch the bean sprouts for 3 minutes. And rinse in cold water. And then blanch the spinach for 10 seconds. And rinse in cold water as well. Now season spinach with 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And also season bean sprouts with 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and a pinch of salt. Now thinly slice shiitake mushrooms, zucchini, and carrots. Place the pan on medium-high heat and stir fry them with a pinch of salt. And now, I'm gonna make beef gochujang the secret of bibimbap. Place the pan on medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of grounded beef and stir fry it. When the beef is almost cooked, turn down the heat to low and add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of water, half tablespoon of sesame oil, and stir fry it until the water is completely gone. When it feels sticky, turn off the heat. Now put all ingredients in a bowl. This time, I'm gonna use tukbaegi, aka Korean stone bowl. Lastly, turn on the heat, and when you hear a sizzling sound, turn off the heat 2 minutes later. Finally, add some sesame oil. That's it! Enjoy! Thank you for watching.